ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 16-21 त्रिविधं नरकस्येदं द्वारं नाशनमात्मनः। पदपाठ। त्रिविधं नरकस्य इदं द्वारं नाशनम् आत्मनः। कामः क्रोधस्तथा लोभस्तस्मादेतत्त्रयं त्यजेत्। पदपाठ। कामः क्रोधः तथा लोभः तस्मात् एतत्त्रयं त्यजेत्। एकांशः विश्लेषण। I have columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः कर्तृपदीयाः कर्मपदीयाः अन्यसुबन्ताः विधेयाः अव्ययान् कृदन्ताः तिङन्ताः। कामः क्रोधः लोभः तथा इति इदम् आत्मनः नाशनं त्रिविधं द्वारं नरकस्य भवति। मनुजः एतत्त्रयं तस्मात् त्यजेत्। Although Kamaha, Krodha, Lobha all have pulling Prathama Ekvachan, they are not Kartrupadiya of any verb. Along with iti, they become a parenthetical detail of Narakasya Trividham Dharam. Anveshah Shabdabhyasa. Kamaha, Krodha, Tatha, Lobha iti idam Atmanaha Nashanam Trividham Narakasya Dwaram Bhavati. Kamaha, Kama, desire, lust. पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम। क्रोधः क्रोध एंगर पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम। तथा अव्ययम एज वेल ऑल्सो। लोभः लोभ ग्रीड एवरिस पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम। इति अव्ययम। इदम इदम सर्वनाम नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम। आत्मनः आत्मन सेल्फ पुल्लिंगम षष्ठी एकवचनम। नाशनम नाशन डिस्ट्रॉइंग विशेषणम अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम। त्रिविधम त्रिविध थ्री फोल्ड ऑफ थ्री टाइप्स विशेषणम अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम। नरकस्य नरक हेल पुल्लिंगम षष्ठी एकवचनम। द्वारम द्वार डोर नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम। भवति भू धातोः लटि प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम। भू सत्तायाम टू एग्जिस्ट टू बिकम टू बी टू हैपन। भ्वादि प्रथम गणीयः परस्मैपदी अकर्मकः सेट। तस्मात् मनुजः एतत्त्रयं त्यजेत्। तस्मात् तत् सर्वनाम पुल्लिंगम नपुंसकलिंगम वा पंचमी एकवचनम। मनुजः मनुज मैन डिसेंडेंट ऑफ मनु विशेषणम अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम। एतत् सर्वनाम अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम। त्रयम त्रय ट्रायड विशेषणम अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम। त्यजेत् त्यज धातोः विधिलिंग लकारे प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम। त्यज त्यजं। हानौ टू अबैंडन टू लीव टू क्विट टू लेट गो टू रिनाउंस। भ्वादि प्रथम गणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः अनिट। अन्वयार्थः ओवरऑल में कामः क्रोधः तथा लोभः इति इदम् आत्मनः नाशनं त्रिविधं नरकस्य द्वारं भवति। The gates of hell are three: lust, wrath, and avarice. They destroy the self. Atmanah nashanam. Tasmat etat trayam tyajet. Forsake them. Chando visheshanam. त्रिविधं नरकस्येदम् अष्टक्षाणि। नरकस्ये एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे। द्वारं नाशनम् आत्मनः अष्टक्षाणि। नमात्म एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका। कामः क्रोधस्तथा लोभस् अष्टक्षाणि। तथा लो एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे। तस्मादेतत्त्रयं त्यजेत् अष्टक्षाणि। त्रयन्त्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका। अस्मिन् षोडशाध्याये एकविंशतितमे श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः स्वाध्यायः नोट्स ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी। क्रोधः is mentioned as to be a corollary effect of kama in kamat krodho vijayate 2-62. But once when doing self introspection especially with reference to yasmanno dvijate loko lokanno dvijate cheha harsha amarsha bhayo udvegair mukto yas sachame priya. I realized that I was in the habit of losing my temper, that is getting krodha, when seeing illogical, inappropriate behavior of others. Loka dudvijate. There was no kama, nothing to gain for myself, yet there was krodha. So there can be krodha even if no kama. There was Arjuna's question: what makes a person indulge in sinful behavior even when not wanting to be sinful? Arjuna uvacha अथ केन प्रयुक्तोऽयं पापं चरति पुरुषः अनिच्छनपि वार्ष्णेय बलादिव नियोजितः. In reply, there was mentioned that kama and krodha are the major prompts. Sri Bhagavan uvacha kama esha krodesha rajoguna samudbhava mahashano mahapapma vidyenam yavairinam. Here lobha is added. Actually, one can take it that lobha is extended kama, or there can be kama, desire arising in one's own mind. Kama may often be an internal prompt. Lobha may often be an external prompt, a want, a desire, arising when realizing that I do not have what another has. The main objective of fashion parades and beauty pageants is to create that lobha. Fashion parades and beauty pageants are sponsored by fashion designers and manufacturers of beauty aids. Those events are the marketing platforms. They create an urge, lobha, to look more fashionable, to look more beautiful, just as the contestants, rather the winners, do. But any urge to look as fashionable or as beautiful as someone else is only an attempt at imitation, an attempt to adopt paradharma. The clear diktat about adopting paradharma is Shreyan Swadharmo Viguna Paradharma Swanushthitat Swadharme Nidhanam Shreya Parama Paradharmo Bhayavaha 3-35. Note, Paradharma Swanushthitat, Paradharma Suanushtitat. Howsoever good paradharma may be adopted, imitated. Vigunaha sadharma Shreyan. Being the one, what one is, being true to oneself is advisable. Once a washerman got a tiger skin, put it on his donkey, and let the donkey have a free sumptuous meal in a farm. The farmer was initially scared, but, but then thought, how can a tiger be eating vegetation? He dared to attack the tiger with his stick. The donkey blurted out his bray and got thoroughly thrashed. Paradharmo bhayava. In today's world, selling a refrigerator to an Eskimo is counted as a marketing skill. No one is happy and content with what one has. Not being happy and content is the root cause of all strife, whether at the individual level or even at the level of international relations. The most important advice of Gita is to conquer craving, kamaha. The biggest enemy, Jahishatrum Mahavaho, Kamarupam Durasadam, 3-43. It is good not to be wanting anything, no kama. Yet danam, giving, offering, donating is more satisfying and would keep one at peace. This Gita Abhyasa is for studying Sanskrit and Gita together. As studying Sanskrit, the study details Padachhedaha, Vakyamshaha Vishleshanam, Shabdabhyasaha, Chando Vishleshanam. As studying Gita, the study details Anvayarthaha and Swadhyaya, that is notes of self-study. This study is Swanta Sukhaya, for self-contentment. Glad to share. The test can be read and downloaded from my blog post, to which links are given in the description box. Shubhamastu.